Yes guys, welcome back to another video guys. In today's video we will be unboxing the Apexcam Action M80 Air. I recently picked this up on Amazon guys. The original price is meant to be £69.99, but I was able to get it for £53.54, so like almost 25% off. Recently I did decide that I wanted to do some vlogs potentially on another channel, so I looked at what the options were. I think most people would, you know, possibly look straight for the GoPros, but the price point on them is, you know, it is really high. And you know, even though this is something I want to do, I don't want to spend like a crazy amount of money of like £200-300 on a camera. So, you know, I looked at other options and I came across the Apexcam, and like I say, for like £53.54, I think the price point is really good considering some of the features you get. That it is waterproof, it is anti-shake proof, the video capture resolution is 4K, the connectivity is Wi-Fi, USB and HDMI. It does have image stabilization. The image capture speed is 30 frames per second. The lens type is prime wide angle. To be fair guys, the item itself apparently only weighs 432 grams, and the screen size on the camera is 2 inches. So for that guys, for, you know, the price point, I think that's really good. So we will open it and I will show you kind of what you do get. So straight off the bat, you get like a nice case. It does say, you know, Apexcam, which is what you want. The camera itself is, you know, it has a little thing so you can attach it to maybe a bag or just, you know, for holding purpose. But, you know, as far as case wise guys, can't complain. We'll open it up and then straight away, there's the camera. And these are all the accessories that you do get with it. So we'll start off with the camera itself. So as you can see guys, it comes in the waterproof casing. It does kind of give you a little bit of a description of how to get started. But as far as the camera itself guys, it looks pretty much, you know, what you would want and what you will need. Like I say, as far as my purpose of kind of wanting this for like a body cam, the size is perfect. I will show you the harness that I did purchase also. Like I say guys, for the most part, it looks what it needs to be. And from what I've seen as far as feature wise, this is definitely what I'm going to be able to use regarding me vlogs. So I'm going to just put that to the side for a moment. So the accessories, obviously it will come with different things. That is the battery charger, kind of like pad, I guess. And that is for the, I believe this is the, it's the remote control that you can use. So if you were like recording, you would just press obviously that, and that would either take a picture or that would record while you've got the camera on your chest or wherever you may have it at that time. So that's kind of a different feature, which is definitely great. And then as far as accessories, you get a battery with it, which is obviously what you need. That'll be for the remote. That's the rechargeable battery, which is obviously what you do need. Just put that off to the side. And then as far as accessories guys, that might be something to do with a harness and stuff like that. You do get quite a few. And there's a USB, which is obviously what you will need. And then this is for like stands. As you can see guys, you get quite a few accessories. I'm guessing these are just different things to attach to different things really. For like something to do with a tripod or something like that you can put it on, attach it on. This is, what's this? Oh, So you get a bit of a microphone as well, guys. So that'd be very helpful if you obviously want to do commentary and stuff as well. So you get a bit of a microphone. So that, honestly, that's really good. And obviously it does have the attachment which you'll be able to clip to your shirt, your coat, or wherever you want to attach it to. That's really good. That's a good accessory, definitely to have. I'm not really sure what these are, to be fair. Is that like rubbery? I don't know if it's to stop like chafing against something. That's obviously what you'll attach the camera to if you want to use it on your chest. Another part for like a bit of your tripod or whatever you may need for a camera. Same there also. And then you get yourself a booklet of, I'm guessing, of how you use it and the in-depth stuff, the different modes and stuff like that. So regarding that, guys, like, you know, considering you do get all these different things, like the case itself, which is, you know, what you want, obviously, to protect your camera and all your accessories to store. Obviously, your camera is definitely the main thing that you obviously want to keep safe at the end of the day. But considering you get like all these different accessories for garden, you get like the microphone. Let's put it further up. And we're back, guys. So considering, guys, you get the case, the camera, and all these accessories for basically, you know, less than £55 is like ridiculous if you think about it. Because I would imagine if you buy obviously one of the more expensive cameras, I don't think necessarily you would get a lot of accessories. You're just paying for the cameras itself and obviously the brand. But for me, you know, it's going to be interesting to obviously use all this, and it is going to be a, you know, a learning curve of how to use things and how to get the best quality out of it. But, you know, for all the features you get, and like I say, this would be good for, I would think, recording videos maybe such as this. You know, it does have various things that you can do. So regarding like, you know, activities, guys, swimming, rafting, surfing, pretty much any water sports that you can think of, things like rock climbing, cycling, mountain climbing, you know, things like I'm going to try is football, you know, use a harness, you know, with the camera to kind of get a viewpoint of what I'm like doing and what I'm seeing during a game. So, you know, there's many things that you can use this camera for, and you can even use it for like recording videos such as this. So, you know, there's a wide range of, you know, opportunities you can use this camera for, and for, you know, less than £55, you know, it's really outstanding that you can get it for this price. So one of the other things I did say that I was going to do, I was going to show you the harness in that for the camera that I did purchase also. So I did get a bag, tech cam, so that'll be another thing that, you know, I'm able to keep me harness, etc. in. So regarding this harness, it's pretty much just a simple harness where the camera will be attached here with the accessory, with one of the accessories that I did get, and then obviously this will go around you. I'm guessing it's probably that way, so like over your shoulders, around your neck type of thing. And this will definitely allow me to do the type of vlogs that I want to do, along with obviously any activities that you guys may want to do. I did buy this separately, guys. I think it was about £22 on Amazon as well. I will link both the harness and the Apexcam as well for you to have a look at if you know, wish to, you know, maybe look and see if it is the right camera for you. But, you know, there's many options, guys, online to see what, you know, needs and what features and all that type of stuff that you may need. But as far as me, I think the camera that I bought, and like I say, this harness, it is what I will need. And it'll be interesting to see the outcome of the end product. So guys, thank you for stopping by. If you did like the video, please like it. If there's anything that I haven't brought up, or if there's any questions that you may have, please ask in the comments below, and I'll ask them in the best of my ability and as quick as possible. So till next time, guys, thank you very much.